Which kind of food are you eating?
Since this thing starts, I don't used to eat food again.
I ask you, do you eat today?
No, what I eat in the morning was not.
What do you eat in the morning?
Oh, I take just malt and milk.
You take what?
Malt and milk, finish.
Malt and milk?
Yes, because I cannot.
Do you know what you mean, malt and milk?
Yes.
Malt and milk is like food for the fat people. If you want to be fat.
That's what I take because of that strength.
Do you know that malt is a heavyweight something? Milk is another joint heavyweight. If you take milk and malt,
joint fat,
you will not be hungry again. I know what I'm talking about.
Exactly, sir. It's true.
Malt and milk is a balanced diet. It's an intercontinental dish.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
So the woman has already been eating overdose.
Exactly.
Because a woman with pregnant, taking malt and milk is now adding weight. You know, milk makes you to be fat. If you, don't eat food. Don't take milk. Add it malt. Sleep. If you wake up, do you know this your bones? What are they calling bones?
Your chicks. Your chicks will. Your chicks will come out.
What do you mean when cheese?
Chicks.
This interpreter, the guy.